Is that a cultural thing among Filipinos, having that burden, that expectation na and how common is that na parang yung feeling na yon na yung anak na pinaaral pag nung nagtatrabaho na feeling niya siya yung retirement plan ng magulang.
Mm-mm. So, maraming cultural values that's hitting on this. One is utang na loob, 'di ba? The culture of utang na loob. And of course, the bigger value na talagang makapamilya talaga tayong mga Pilipino. We value our family. Some scholars nga would say, hindi naman talaga tayo collectivistic, tribalistic tayo, di ba? We protect our family. Maybe not so much our countrymen, di ba? But we do protect, we're fiercely protective of our family. So, kung pinagsama mo yung value of family and utang na loob, um, that's when potential problems can come. Pero actually, and I don't know how much you want to get into this, kasi utang na loob as a core value isn't inherently toxic, Howie. Hindi naman siya inherently problematic. Um, Utang na loob as as an indigenous value is actually, it means hindi lang to transaction. And that is exactly what retirement plan thinking is. This is a transaction. I invested in you, right? And I need my payout. I need my payback at the end. So it's a very transactional relationship. Ang totoong utang na loob as part of Filipino values is that this is not merely a transaction, this is a relationship. So yung utang na loob, so kunyari, di ba, tinulungan mo ako, Howie. Di ba, tinulungan mo ako in a time of need. Hindi lang ito na, oh, may utang na loob ako, babayaran ko to one time. Kasi transaction eh, kung anong tinulong mo sa akin, yun ang ibabalik ko sa'yo. But utang na loob means because you helped me, di ba, kapwa na tayo. This is now a valued relationship of mine and I will treat you, no, like family. Di ba, parang ganon. So, I get really sad as a psychologist, no, psikolohiyang Pilipino, na parang nadidistort ang utang na loob. Utang na loob has become such a bad word, especially for young people now. Kasi ang nangyari, it became, di ba, parang na-distort siya into something transactional. Pinalaki kita, di ba? So now, alagaan mo ko in my later years. But that's not really what utang na loob is. I can go deeper into that, baka pero masyado ng ano, no? Masyadong geeky na. Um, so yun, no? So yun yung utang na loob. And so I hope people really understand what that means. So utang na loob is not something demanded, just like respect in a way, right? It is something that is forged through trust, no? Through trust and a bond. Now, yung makapamilya, syempre yung idea is, um, di ba, we like people who are family-oriented. Alam natin yan. Pag public person ka, di ba, kailangan talaga family-oriented ka. So, unfortunately, yun na nga, if you combine yung parang medyo transactional na utang na loob with family-orientedness, parang equals, di ba, that plus that equals, bigay mo lahat sa pamilya mo. Di ba? Ibigay mo lahat. I'm sure nakita mo Tahawi, di ba, maraming nagko-quote, honor thy mother and thy father in this conversation. So, nagkaroon pa ng religious value to it. So, but really, that's not how it's supposed to be. Di ba? Hindi porke parang mabait lang akong anak dahil binibigyan kita ng pera. Hindi rin maganda yon, di ba? Merong ibang ways. There should be many, many other ways we could show our love, our respect. So, yun eh. I know I got really into the values. So, yung sa breadwinner, sinasabi ko nga sa mga clients ko who are burdened by that. It's a big burden, di ba? Ikaw ang responsible. And the thing is, pag bata pa, yung sinasabi ko sa mga magulang, pag bata pa sila, allow them to dream. Give them a way to live out those dreams. Hindi yung, di ba may mga ibang pamilya naririnig ko na ayaw nila mag-asawa yung anak. Kasi di ba pag umalis ka na, yung asawa mo na yung paggagastusan mo. Hindi na kami. Pag umalis ka sa bahay, adi may paggagastusan mo na yung bahay mo, hindi yung sa amin. Yung ganon. So, hindi naman dapat. Di ba? So, it should be where, di ba, the child of his own volition diba? Because you want to honor your mother and your father, you want to care for them, and then the parents don't demand that care, but actually, sana ang umiigting is how much care they want to give each other instead of how much care they want to receive from each other.